Okay, everyone, welcome to the new video of Scratch tutorials. And today we are going to explore the interface of the Scratch window. This is the first window that you will see after you creating the account. So, without wasting any time, there's an option called Create. So, after creating an account, you just have to click on this Create button, and so this is basically the interface window of the Scratch. So first of all, these are the all the blocks that we will be needing for the code for look, sound, events, controls. So we will be seeing all these blocks very thoroughly in the later videos as well. And then this is the area then where you can drag any sort of blocks to make a code. So this is basically the code area, and this is basically the stage like the whatever you code here, the character or the things will perform at this stage. Okay, so what you can do is from here you can choose any character, that means any sprite. So you can choose any character, any sprite you want from this side. And yeah, so and on the other side, this is the option where you can choose any backdrop means any sort of background you want to add in your uh, project. So let's say I want to add this baseball one, so it will be around this. You can arrange the characters any way you want. So this is basically, and if you want to delete any character, you can basically click on this and this will give you an option. So we will click on yes. So this video is basically about the interface of the Scratch, and yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. Thank you so much.